like, comment, share and subscribe. Hi guys, my name is Natalia and this is
PJ.
And we are at Netball. I'll show you them.
Yeah.
There we go. And sorry my eyes are so red.
A few moments later.
Hey family, so meet Natalia. Natalia is my little niece and she came to our game. Did you like our game? Mm-hmm. Did you watch Auntie Paul play?
Yeah.
And
what did you think?
What did you think?
A+, B-? We
good playing, not good playing.
Really bad.
Good.
It was good. Thumbs up. Properly.
Hello.
Hi uncle.
Hello.
Everyone meet my uncle. Uncle Benny. Uncle, say something to my vlog.
What?
It'll be on YouTube.
Hello, how are you? Nice to see the girl tonight. Thank you very
Uncle,
much.
are you happy that Natalia's here?
Yeah, it's very good.
He's so happy his granddaughter's here.
It's a long time no see.
I know.
Yeah, it's growing up. Yes.
Okay, so bye.
Do you like the netball tonight?
She liked it.
Oh.
Oh wait, let me turn on the light.
Change doctors.
Everyone's doing what they can.
Ready, Lanston?
Hi, is Dick?
Say hi, Lanston. Hi.
But his alcohol content's been
Okay, so I thought of this little challenge that I'm going to do for Lanston. I'm going to do the reaction. So I'm going to put a few videos up from YouTube and I want to just see if we can get any reaction out of Lanston. And yeah, so let's get started. First video is a baby laughing at the dog. The baby's hysterically laughing at the dog. Okay, Lanston, look.
She just loves it.
There's no reaction. He gave a little smile, but he didn't smile completely. Okay, the next video is the Wiggles rock by your bed.
Sway from side to side.
Sway from side to side.
Rock by your bed.
Everybody laugh. Everybody sing.
La 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 la.
Bow to your partner. And then you turn around. Hands in the air, rock by your bed. Bed's now asleep. Bed's now asleep.
Okay, everyone, once again, let's put our hands in the air, sway from side to side, and sing rock by your bed together.
Everybody's in the air, rock by your
He doesn't even care, everyone.
bed's now asleep.
Shoo, shoo, shoo.
Bed's now asleep.
Let's do cute dogs. Okay, the next video is the dog video to see if he'll react. Oh my gosh, now he's just reacting to my mum. That's it. That's it. Look at the doggy calling you. Yeah. Is that your papa? That's it. This is a fail. No, he's got no reaction. He doesn't react to anything. He didn't react to the baby laughing, the wiggles, and he did react a little bit to this last video, only because he wanted the phone. Yeah. Say hello. Hello. We are headed over to netball right now, and it is my grand final day. The game is so late. That's probably the only annoying thing. So the family have decided to come. You can see Lanston. He's in his PJs. He was actually ready to go bed, but we're like, can Lanston please come and watch our game? And then his mummy was like, oh yeah, we'll come then. So yeah, that's why they've come. Chris is here as well. Anyways, we'll see you when we get there. Lanston, Lenny. He's in his pajamas. He's in his PJs. No. Nikki! Everyone! Nikki! Hey! Black cat. Honey.
Hey guys.
There was 3 of us that we always used to hang out back in high school, and it was myself, Chanel, and Lua. And look, Chanel's pregnant. And this is her second child. This is Denver.
Denver, say hi. Oh, it's so shy. Oh no. Like, subscribe.
Oh, honey, are you in the zone now?
I think I am. I'm just a bit nervous. Like, I'm really nervous.
Bye, honey. Bye, honey. Oh, yeah, I love you. Bye, baby. Yeah. Mwah. Oh, jeez. Jeez, I love you too, honey. Yeah. Good luck. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's all good, eh? Like, she gave me a hug and I just wished her good luck ages ago. So good. Enjoy the game, guys.
So that was half time. How are you feeling? I'm like, my nerves are in my tummy and I can't even play properly because I feel so nervous.
Don't be nervous, girl. Okay, so the score right now is 13-12. Sister
Tigers up by 1. It's a pretty intense game. We have Kara over there, looking all fine and stuff. She's like literally getting all her shots in. And yeah, we have TANUVASA kind of taking over this little vlog that's going on.
Just keep running on.
Any encouragements, TANUVASA, to your wife?
Yeah, well,
Guys, I feel so nervous.
hey, it's like I'm gonna place you.
Wow, calm down.
I'm gonna go my hair.
Oh, Baba, thank you. You didn't have to, Baba. Hey guys.
What's up, guys?
What do you have to say?
This game is really intense here. I haven't been watching it because I went to get
Anyways.
I went to go get food, but the points are really close.
Yeah.
Just the top 2 teams. So we'll see how they go now.
Yeah, so it's now second quarter.
It's alright, it's alright.
What's up, family? Okay, so we are headed over to Brody. I'm gonna just turn on the aircon. We're headed over to Broad Meadows. We've just got to go get something. But today, where are we going? It is a Friday, and where do we usually go?
And then McDonald's.
So yeah, we're headed over to youth. It is today. We're not doing. I'm pretty sure we're not doing any Bible study.
None at all, guys. Not this week.
But instead, we are doing
Easter practice. Because Easter is coming up soon, and usually for church, we like to get the youth to do items. So we can't wait.
And what's the meaning of Easter? The crucifixion of Jesus Christ, and then the resurrection. No, it's actually the resurrection. Good Friday is the crucifixion of Jesus Christ.
But it's gonna be our first time not participating as youthies. We are married.
Yes.
So we're gonna be in the stands or behind the scenes, really. Just trying to make sure everyone's all good and they delivered the message.
So if you're not doing anything on the Good Friday morning, we have morning service on Good Friday, and if you're not doing anything, come down to 345 High Street. We would love to see your faces. Seriously, I would love to see your face. But come down to 345 High Street. We are going to have a service there, and if you can't make the Good Friday service, it's okay. We've got the Sunday service, which is the Easter service. It's the first, is it the 1st of April? I think it's the 1st of April on that Sunday, and we are doing another program for that Sunday. If you aren't doing anything, would love for the TNS squad to come down and join us.
Like she said, we'd love to see you guys there. But if you're doing your own sauninga at your own church, God bless your service, God bless your hearts.
And God bless your preparation if you guys are doing any items for your service. I know that it can actually be something that is something that really takes time and effort, so we only wish you guys. So I'm really bad at talking and driving. Okay, I've got to tell you this story. So I rarely drive. My husband drives me everywhere. Like, he never lets me drive ever. But lately he's been allowing me to drive, and today he was just, he's really tired, everyone.
You should show them why you don't.
Oh, you're sad. I didn't do that at the back. He hit into me. The postman hit into my car while I was reversing out. You know what the man tried to say to me? That it was my fault. That I reversed back, and for him to hit my car, that was my fault. Wow.
We'd love to hear your guys' feedback on that actually.
Yeah.
Because what he said to Sera, and I thought he was just trying to like
scam me.
Favale, what's favale? Like take advantage of her because she's a woman, and that, you know, like he knows more than her. So the situation was she was backing out of the driveway, and he was saying that it's illegal to reverse out of your driveway onto the road.
Yeah.
And that was,
how did they get out?
That was his claim.
You have to reverse into your car park. Into your, he said that I have to reverse into the car, I mean into my driveway. And then I was like, wait, so that means that the whole world is driving so wrong because everyone parks in their driveway, parking in. And he's like, yeah, well they are. It's illegal for you to reverse out of your car park. I was stunned. My face was like, okay then. But yeah.
We'd love to hear your guys' feedback, so please comment down below and let us know. Let us know what is right. Is he right?
Is he right, or
is he crazy?
Excuse me. Do you know where I could find these cookies? Shows him the picture. You know those round ones?
yeah.
I think so.
So we just finished getting our stuff in Brody.
Tuxx.
Oh, he's not wearing them today. Usually when you come Brody, we're TNs. But yeah.
When you come to Brody, you've got to make sure you got Nike on and some fresh TNs. Because you're in TN land.
So yeah, crossing the road. Finished doing our whakao. Now, head off to youth. See you guys at youth.
Jesus seems to look at me, say, no, son. Let me have your sin, let me have your business, and I can Barabbas. And then no.
Let me change it.
I deserve a break.
And that's the same leg that goes.
So we're learning it down till Easter. You know how fast the moves are.
Let's try once more.
Okay.
Here.
One more time.
So we are just having a break from this. Funny thing is, I didn't think I was in the skit. I thought that we were just going to be the background, or me and Taru were just going to be the people that are behind the scenes, but Patty asked us to be in the skit, so obedience is better than sacrifice. So we are just eating. Midnight snack. We got Renee,
What are those other boxes of?
Bowen, Honey, Black Cat, Ugly. And Willie's just next door. He's just looking for my singer's team. I forgot to tell you. So the Mother's Ministry is having a garage sale tomorrow. So we're just helping our president.
Oh, bro, she gave us 4 chicken.
There's no good wings.
There's no wicked wings.
Are you lying?
And I paid for 25.
Do you have the receipt?
You want some gravy as well?
You wouldn't drive.
I'm so sad. Oh, that's what I was craving. Wicked wing. Pass me that wicked wing right now before you eat it, you stink breath.
Want some gravy?
You wouldn't drive back.
Oh, you were me. But that's 2 Fridays in a row.
We're gonna eat.
What's going on, family? So right now we're at church. It's about 8 o'clock. About to get our walkathon on. The mothers have set up for their garage sale.
Good morning, family. So we are here. It's a Saturday, beautiful morning, and we have started our garage sale.
So my poor wife hasn't slept all night. She was getting everything prepared, getting the tags for the prices. Sorry, the papers that have the prices on them. She was getting them ready. She went out in the streets. No, guys, Vin Diesel's here. Vin.
Yo, what's up, bro?
How's it going, mate?
Just finished Fast 9.
Like I said, guys, we're gonna get this on a roll. Oh, sorry. Our fundraising, we're doing door knocking, so we're just gonna head out in the streets. Go to the local people that live here, knock on the doors, you know, speak to them a little bit, get to know them a little bit, and then just kindly ask them for a kind donation. Wow, sorry, guys. Kindly ask them for a kind donation from 5 cents to whatever is in their heart. If they don't feel like donating, we still bless them, give them a handshake or give them a nice see you later, and go about our day, go about your day, and on to the next house. So yeah, the reason why we're fundraising is it's going to go towards the renovations of our church. So our church is a bit old. It's been standing for at least 40 years plus before Pastor came and took over this land and this building. I think it was an old Catholic church. Oh, is that right? This was an old Catholic church before Dad came? Yeah. So it was an old Catholic church, and it didn't look nothing like this. It still had the same kind of structure. They're gonna renovate the church. Actually, I'm gonna show you right now. Gonna renovate the church. That's gonna start near the end of the year. It's gonna look something like this. I'm pretty sure these are the final draw up plans. It's pretty exciting. So GI is going through the last preparations for the door knocking, walkathon. I'll show you guys.
We're here from God's Imagery.
I'd like to knock on your door. for you.
Yeah, that was pretty much a little example of what's gonna go down when we knock at the local's house.
Can I come to your house?
So it'll be a good experience for the kids to build up their confidence, teach them how to be able to talk confidently to people, to strangers, to anyone really, and it doesn't just have to apply to their Christian walk. It can apply to their day-to-day lives when they're at school or they're out in the street. So yeah, see you guys in a bit.
Thank you, Father, for another day that you have given to our Lord, we thank you, Father God, that what we're doing this morning, Lord Jesus, Father God, that we want you to take the lead, Father God. We want you to be the center. We want you to be the Father, that the one that we have the GI, the one that we are standing representing, us, that we're representing in the whole gospel. Lord, I pray, Father, that you can work with knowledge and Lord, give us the understanding. Lord, I pray that every house that we have was knock on, Lord Jesus, and the people who open the doors, Father God, that they will be blessed, Father God, that they will see you, Father God. Let the words that come out of our mouth be a blessing, be an encouragement, and be healing to those who need to hear it, Father God.
Lord Jesus, I pray that you continue to be with us wherever we may go. Lord Jesus, I pray that you continue to bless us. Amen.
Okay guys, we are back at church, very tired, but the experience was awesome, very tiring, a lot of energy gone, but it was for a good reason, good cause, and the experience was just awesome. Got to reach out to all the locals that are in the community. A lot of them were old, a lot of them couldn't talk English, a lot of them weren't willing, but you know, the lack of knowledge, they didn't understand. And we just pray that God will continue to open their eyes and work through them, and we just thank Him for His knowledge and His boldness that we were able to go out there and just reach out, talk to them, you know, get to know them, and then finally ask them for the donation. And to any of you that end up watching this that did donate, God bless your hearts abundantly. Pray that God will help prosper your life. Anything going on in your life, pray that God will prosper you through your journey.
Thank you very much for your donation today. We're very happy today, and thank you so much for what you've done to the church, giving your life and fundraising for the church, to help the church. So on behalf of me and Soy, all our church members, we thank you from our hearts. Thank you for your heart of giving and your heart of loving the Lord with your donation. Now this money will put in the bank for the church. May God bless you, GI, your leaders, your committee, and everyone in GI. Keep on. God bless you.
Also, my wife's gonna take her class out to lunch today, so I'm gonna give you over to her, and hope you guys enjoy the fun.
Okay guys, we're taking Sera's Sunday school class to... This is Christopher's mom. One of our students. Where's Christopher? Say hi.
We won't be long, we're just going to eat and then we'll be back.
Yeah, so we're taking
okay.
Sarah's Sunday school class.
Okay then, thank you, Tony.
Because they've just had practice. So yeah, feed is on Sera.
What do you mean, Sarah?
Hello,
Her name's Arthur. Whenever you get
Here. Here. Here.
whenever you get I always like God. I always submit every like 3 seconds. Oh my God.
See you struggling with
Yeah, they're all my kids.
Thanks. I give you thanks. Like, comment,
And subscribe. That was fun. What else? Simpson. Where is it? What's up, family? Hi guys. Hi. Okay, so Vaughn had to go work today, and she finished work and wanted to be twins with us. But no, I have
we
picked the like to just eat whatever we give it. We picked the
what
restaurant for
about
her, and she'll close her eyes.
Oh, okay.
So what? But she already memorized the thing. Okay, hold my hand.
Yeah, okay.
I don't understand what's happening. No, we're gonna pick which one, and you have to guess it before we get there. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lavon. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Papa Jesus, hip hip hooray! No shame. No shame. No shame. She's in her face when you all say, so man, you're not going to come? She's like, okay.
Happy birthday, sister.
Jesus Christ, we thought we were. So, yeah, guys, that's Lavon's surprise.
There we are. Yeah, I'll go first.
Oh my God! Kathy, Sera, can I have the full? Sera. What's up, everyone? Okay, so I got a carbonara. My husband got this mixed grilled La Familia grill thingy, and we got chips on the side. So I'll sit on the other side, but the reason why me and TANU are sitting together now is because me and TANU actually eat off one plate. We're trying this new thing where we eat on one plate, and yeah, so no matter what we do, we have to eat on one plate. But if you can nitpick at stuff, but as long as we eat together. Anyways, we love you, family, and our camera's gonna die, so if we don't vlog after this, we're sorry. And happy birthday to Lavon. Bonnie Boo, we love you, God bless you, and happy 80th. Bye. Yeah. Oh, it's not focusing, but it's 420.
Now what's your pizza?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lavon. Happy birthday to you. Daddy, I was joking.
No, you have to take
Daddy, I was joking.
You have to take it. Yay!
Bye, Mars. Love you. Love you, sis. You're gonna be in the vlog. Bye, sis. Thank you for coming. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you guys for coming.
Opening your restaurant.
Thank you for coming.
I'm so glad to be here, man.
Thank you for coming. Have a good night. God bless. Good morning. Wow, fam. Good morning. We have just finished morning devotion, and this week it was at the park. Praise God. It was led by, I'm looking like a taxi. It was led by Jerome Unasa, and here he is. Oh.
Thank you. I seen the subscribers pop up. 300 now? Damn, man. Thank you guys for tuning in. God bless all you guys. We love you from the GI fam. Let's get it.
Alright guys, he's heard it here first. GI loves you. We are headed on home. Going back to sleep. Goodbye.
Good morning, family. We're at church. I'm doing the good morning vlog inside today with Butty and the little butterfly. So she's gonna be eating my breakfast, my healthy breakfast. She's come running over, wanting a snake. So yeah, today our service starts at 9:30 as always, and the youth Butty's class, which is predominantly GI. They got a special item, so I can't wait to get that on. I think I'll get Brother Butty to explain a little bit, not too much, just a little run through.
So today the theme is the armor of God. So I've got certain people doing spoken words for particularly on the armor of God. So from the helmet all the way down to the sandals, to the sword of the Spirit, and so everyone's got a spoken word, and it's going to be powerful today. So the Spirit's going to be moving, and pray you guys have a blessed Sabbath wherever you're going to be at, church, congregation. God bless.
Thanks, bro. So yeah, pretty much every Sunday this is what we get up to. I'll come straight here, sit next to Butty, and we'll just chat until the countdown gets to about 30. Gets to about 30 seconds, and then I'll usually make my way to the front, to my seat, and then the service will begin. So I hope you guys, like Butty said, I hope you guys are having an awesome day right now. Thank you for continuing to watch our vlogs, and we'll see you guys later on throughout the day.
See you guys.
And now today is a new day, amen?
Praise God.
Today's a new day. God is giving us new strength. Amen. And tomorrow we don't know what's going to happen, whether we're going to wake up or not. So tomorrow we don't know about. But today we concentrate on today, because God is giving us new strength and new power so we can praise Him. Hallelujah. Now we're going to say to the church to feel free this morning. When we think about a courtroom, what do you think about when you go into a courtroom?
Judge.
A judge. So when we walk into a courtroom and you're all sitting, what do you do when the judge walks in? Stand up. Stand up. Okay, so when you think of a police officer, when a police officer pulls you over and tells you to stop your vehicle, get out of your vehicle, what do?
Run!
You run. You
get out of the vehicle.
Amen. So you're listening to the police officer.
Amen.
Yeah? You listen to the judge. When he walks in, you stand up. Hallelujah.
Amen.
When the police officer tells you to get out of your vehicle, you listen. Yeah. When the police officer tells you to jump, you jump. Amen. When he tells you to run, you run. And you walk straight line, you walk straight line. Amen.
Yeah.
Okay, so when we think about we come into the house of God, when God whispers into your heart and He tells you to stand up, you what? You gotta stand up. I hear you.
Stand up.
When God whispers into your heart and He tells you to stand up, you stand up. Amen. So feel free this morning. We're going to sing a couple of songs, and I hope you feel the Holy Spirit come in this morning. And feel free. Amen.
serve, amen. In the beautiful name of Jesus.
You see, every morning I wake up, the devil whispers, oh, she's up. And when you get out of bed, before even the word is actually said, even then, the devil is trying to distort your mind so that you could be misled. But I choose to meditate on the scriptures written in red, because I'd rather listen to someone who died on the cross for me and bled. His blood was shed for you and me, so without him in your being, your life is surely dead. Every day people want to compose, but they forget to put on the very thing that chases away those evil foes. I wasn't taking on speaking today, but I knew if I didn't stand up for what is right, I would slowly start to drift away. So when my teacher Nasa gave me the nod, I thought, what better time to put on the armor of God? I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength.
What good is the helmet if you don't have the belt? What good is the breastplate if you don't have the shield? Now what good are the sandals if you don't have the sword? You either put it all on or wear nothing at all. There's power in your
Baddest female rappers, man. I guess I'm feeling lucky. Is your name Lucky? Oh my gosh, I feel like Kentucky. I don't wanna rocky. What is that? Oh my gosh, my flow is flat. I don't wanna fight with you. I just wanna eat some food. I wanna go to school. You are late.
I don't like your bum.
Hey!
Because it has too much.
Oh!
Because it's so dumb.
Oh!
But I don't like your
Oh! He doesn't like your mama. Oh!
You got this.
Hey, his mom's gone. Everyone.
Hey, now that your mom's gone, I can rap. Hey, Lucky, I don't like your flow. Guess what? Over there is where you go. Don't like to show. Oh, and I go, yes I go.
Oh, don't worry
You
about it.
don't know. Hey, roll your flow. Hey, do you like this show? Guess what? You like my flow.
Nah, it's alright. You can do better. You got this. You got this. Get angry. Get angry. Get angry. Let's go. Hey.
What a shame are you? You're dumb because you are stupid. Well, what's wrong with your face? Oh, what's wrong with your bum that face?
Oh, no.
DJ D-Rex, cut the beat. I just said cut the beat.
Hey.
Guess what, Lucky? I'm coming with the heat.
Hey.
You said I fought? Kmart.
Yeah, bring the beat back.
Okay. Get it, Lucky.
You're so crazy, but I don't like it. When you are so lazy. What did you say? I said I was like a babe.
Oh,
What do
babe.
you
say your
It's a
baby.
baby. When you see a day,
Oh, hey, baby.
look at that baby. You said it's beautiful and made.
Hey.
It's new and mood. And so bored and cold.
Oh.
I called my dog.
Oh.
But my mom, my son.
Oh.
My mom talks with your mom.
Oh.
But I smacked you on the butt.
Come in. Yo, Lucky. Yes, I ain't a flop. Where do you shop? Oh. Hey, I like hip hop. Hey. Yeah, $2. Hey, do you like hip hop? Oh. When I take a picture, don't crop. Oh. Hey, sleep slump. Hey. Oh. Yeah. Do you play black? Oh. Hey. Hey. I smell like a flower. Hey, you smell like no shower. Oh. I look hour. Hey, yes, I'm strong tower. Hey, I'ma give you a lower. Hey, man, that was so sour. Oh, I wanna devour. Oh, I wanna.
It's over. It's over. It's over.
A few moments later.
Now come back.
So hey guys, we're waiting for the boys to come back. They're going to get food, but the girls are gonna go set up the tables next door. It's not focusing. And yeah, we're so hungry. Oh yeah, today was a blessed Sabbath. Look at my eyebrows. I need to do them. Every vlog. I have not done my eyebrows since the beginning of our vlog. I know that you subscribers are excited that I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. Yeah, they're probably like, ew, look at her eyebrows. I don't think they do. I think my family loves me. Are you true? Oh, look at them. What the hell? What the hell? They must be roasting the boys. Alright, let's go. Bye, guys.
Oh.